Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best door sill protector is probably one of the most overlooked accessories for your Bronco, but trust me, it's a game changer. Protecting your door sills from scratches, scuffs, and the general wear and tear of daily use is crucial if you want to keep your Bronco looking its best. Whether you're a weekend warrior hitting the trails or just navigating the urban jungle, this is a must-have upgrade. Number 5. Mabett Door Edge Guards for Ford Bronco 4-Door. Introducing the Mabett Door Edge Guards, designed specifically for your Ford Bronco 4-Door model from 2021 to 2025. It offers complete protection for your vehicle. This accessory is a perfect fit for your car. These guards feature a classic 1966 pattern, paying tribute to history while providing modern protection. Made from premium ABS and stainless steel, it is built to last and will not rust. It also enhances the beauty of your car. The guards add friction to the door sills, reducing the risk of slipping, especially with wet shoes. This feature helps keep your family and children safe when entering and exiting the vehicle. It is a must-have accessory. These guards cover frequently trodden areas, acting as a shield against scratches and discoloration. It protects the stomping areas, ensuring your Bronco's door sills remain in pristine condition. It is a great investment for your car. Installation is simple. Just clean the threshold area, peel off the self-adhesive tape, and apply. Avoid getting the area wet or moving the guards for 24 hours to ensure proper adhesion. It is easy to install. What we like. This door sill protector pays tribute to history with its retro 1966 pattern, adding a unique touch to your Bronco. Made from stainless steel, it ensures durability and prevents rust. Furthermore, it enhances safety by adding friction, reducing slips. If you are looking for a blend of style, history, and safety, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Gives the Bronco a nice upgraded look. I love the stainless look combined with the 1966 script. Covers the exact spots passengers tend to hit when entering and exiting. Number 4. Bronco Door Sill Protector for Ford Bronco 4-Door. This set includes protectors for both front and rear doors. They are designed specifically for the Ford Bronco 4-Door models from 2021 to 2024. The protectors offer comprehensive coverage to keep your car looking its best. The surface features a unique geometric pattern. This design not only adds a stylish touch but also protects the car body from scratches caused by shoe rubbing. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality. Made from durable TPE material, this protector is wear-resistant, slip-resistant, and water-resistant. It provides reliable protection, especially for children entering and exiting the car in various weather conditions. Keeping these protectors clean is a breeze. Simply use a brush or rag to wipe away any dust, dirt, or moisture. Maintaining them is effortless, ensuring they always look their best. Installing these door sill protectors is incredibly simple. Just clean the surface, peel off the adhesive backing, and apply them to the correct position. It's a quick upgrade that makes a big difference. What we like. This door sill protector features a unique geometric design that adds a stylish look to your Bronco. Constructed from durable, wear-resistant TPE material, it offers excellent slip resistance, especially in wet conditions. Cleaning is also a breeze. If you have kids or frequently deal with wet or snowy weather, this protector will keep your car looking great and safe. What people say. These protectors provide an extra layer of protection against the elements by preventing snow and ice from building up on the door sills, creating a slipping hazard. They also add a touch of style to your Ford Bronco. Installation is incredibly easy and can be done in minutes. Number 3. Reformed Design Door Sill Guards for Ford Bronco 4-Door. Are you tired of scratches on your Ford Bronco's door sills? These guards offer comprehensive protection, covering existing damage and preventing new ones. It's a must-have accessory for your vehicle. Designed specifically for the 4-Door Ford Bronco models from 2021 onwards, these protectors ensure a perfect fit. They come as a set of 4, covering both front and rear door sills. This product is not compatible with the Bronco Sport. Made from durable and non-slip TPE, this product is built to last. The material is flexible, ensuring a better fit, and it won't fade over time. It provides a secure grip and added protection. Featuring a classic design with etched mountain details, this product adds a touch of style. Installation is simple, just clean the surface, peel off the backing, and stick it on. The strong adhesive ensures it stays in place. This product not only protects your door sills from scratches but also enhances their appearance. The corner design protects the entry lip, and the thickness is just right, so it won't interfere with door operation. It's a practical and stylish upgrade. What we like. This Door Sill Protector boasts a classic mountain design, adding a touch of ruggedness to your Bronco. Made from durable, non-slip TPE, it ensures long-lasting protection and grip. Installation is a breeze with its peel and stick design. If you like a tough, classic look and easy installation, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. Easy to install. They look great and fit perfectly. The door sills are well made and look like they will last a long time. Number 2. ANMOSVO Door Sill Guards for Ford Bronco. These door sill scuff plates are custom-made for your Bronco. They fit the exact door sill contours with maximum accuracy, providing 100% protection for your car. This ensures a perfect fit and maximum protection. Made from durable ABS material, these protectors are built to last. They are abrasion-resistant and anti-aging, effectively protecting your car's door sills from scratches and paint damage. With an enhanced anti-slip design, these protectors offer superior grip. The anti-slip surface and groove design provide all-weather protection, preventing slips when entering or exiting your vehicle. These guards not only protect but also enhance your car's appearance. They fit perfectly in the door sill, making your car stand out and protecting the paint from wear and tear. Installation is quick and easy with the high-quality 3M tape. Simply peel off the backing and stick it onto your doorstep. It only takes about 5 minutes to apply, covering the areas most prone to contact. What we like. This Door Sill Protector is custom-made for your Bronco, ensuring a perfect fit. Constructed from durable ABS material, it offers excellent protection against scratches and damage. Moreover, it features an enhanced anti-slip design for ultimate all-weather protection. If you are looking for maximum protection and a secure grip in any weather, this is the one for you. What people say. They were very easy to install. The fit is perfect and they really look great. They will save the paint on the door sills too. They work great. Look great and additional protection for the door sill. Number 1. BESTAOO Door Sill Guards Kit for Ford Bronco 2021 to 2025. Are you worried about scratches on your car's door sills? This kit is designed to protect them from damage. It also covers existing scratches, keeping them looking new. This door sill guard kit is specifically designed for the Ford Bronco 4-door models from 2021 to 2025. It ensures a perfect fit. You can be sure that it will fit your car. Made from high-quality black ABS, this protector is both non-slip and scratch-resistant. It's built to withstand daily wear and tear, keeping your door sills in top condition. Installing this kit is incredibly easy. With double-sided adhesive tape, you can stick them directly onto your door sills. No cutting or drilling is needed, and the installation takes only about 5 minutes. The package includes 2 front door sill guards and 2 rear door sill guards. It provides full coverage for all your door sills. It's everything you need to protect your car. What we like. This door sill protector is made from premium ABS material, ensuring durability and scratch resistance. Installation is quick and easy, with no cutting or drilling required. It is designed to protect your door sills from scratches and scuffs. If you want a simple, effective solution for protecting your door sills, this is a great option. What people say. This product is nice quality and looks great. Gives full sill edge coverage to give you the extra peace of mind. I recommend this product. Excellent fit, clean molding, no sharp edges needing to be deflashed, literally peel and stick ready out of the box. They look great and now I don't have to worry about all the scuff marks that will happen on that part of the vehicle. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.